you guys, back with another video. I'm making homemade nachos on deck. I have my meat, tomatoes, cheese. I have the nachos, lettuce. Here's my sour cream. I'm going to open up. And I also have some taco sauce. I'm going to do the taco sauce. Look how good that look, you guys. Homemade Taco Tuesday. And sour cream, last and not least. Okay, just squeezing out the last of this. I got some more packs of this. So this is going to be for my dinner today. Maybe that'll look a little better. Homemade nachos. Okay. Those are so good, you guys. And I thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye for now.